Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest recipes you'll probably ever make in your life, gluten-free dump cake. If you've never had or made a dump cake, the reason it's called dump cake is because you just dump everything into a baking dish and bake it. No stirring, no extra bowls, no fancy equipment, just dump and bake. And easy doesn't mean less flavorful, y'all. I've been making this for many years and it's always devoured. It's so good. So let's get into it and I'll show you how to make it. I start with a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. And I'm pouring 2 large cans of pie filling into the bottom. This is cherry pie filling. When I first got the recipe, when I was I think I was probably like 17 or 18 and I got it out of our newspaper, it said raspberry pie filling. And back then I couldn't find raspberry pie filling. They probably have it now, but I substituted with cherry pie filling and we all loved it so much I just stuck with the cherry. But if you want to try raspberry or blueberry, peaches, there's so many out there now, I can't even name them all. I'll just spread this out a little bit into one even layer. And then next comes 1 large can of crushed pineapple. And we don't drain it or anything. We just pop the top and pour it in there. I kind of spread it out just a little bit because I want pineapple in every single bite if I can get it. Next is a dry gluten-free cake mix. Yellow cake mix is what I'm using. It's Pillsbury. I think they have many other brands nowadays. I just rarely buy them, but for this instance I want it as quick and easy as possible. And we're just sprinkling this all over the top, trying to get it into as even a layer as possible. It's okay if there are some large lumps. Next comes chopped pecans, and it's supposed to be a cup, but I don't even measure, as you can see. I just put as much as I want on there. And then comes shredded sweetened coconut. If you don't like coconut, just leave it out. I am a huge coconut fan. So if a recipe calls for coconut, you better believe I'm adding it. And again, this is supposed to be 1 cup of shredded coconut. Just don't even measure. Just sprinkle it on there to your heart's content. Final ingredient is melted butter. And this is 2 sticks or 226 grams of melted salted butter. I use salted butter for almost everything I make. When you have that saltiness, it kind of takes away, cuts the sweetness just a little bit. And then what I like to do at the end before I bake it is kind of like tamp it down. And that just helps that cake mix get fully hydrated. And we're going to bake this at 250, so a low temperature, 250 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And you can stop there, but then I like to bump up the heat to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes just to toast that coconut on top. And that's it, you guys. It's just that simple. You can feed a crowd with this. You can change it up, make your favorite flavors. You know, you don't have to use all of these flavors. There are many different flavors of dump cakes. I've got some more that'll be coming to you eventually. But this is the starting point. I like to serve it with vanilla ice cream. That's just my thing. I just feel like it's cobbler-like. And the crunchiness of that cake mix and the cherries, the pineapple, the crunchiness from the nuts, and then that tropical flair with the pineapple and the coconut. You can't beat it. Enjoy.